guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then welcome. If you're returning, then welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a few different styles that I've been using while I've been having these starter locks in. For me personally, so if you watched my video when I first installed these locks, or if you have seen any of my other previous videos on my starter locks, then you would know that I started these on like medium to long length hair. So my hair when I started was probably like, I would say about armpit length, and obviously with them being twisted up and in locks, it's shrunk a lot, but nonetheless, a lot of the videos and a lot of the styles that I see on YouTube, most of those people have like really short locks when they're showing you how to style your starter locks. I don't see a whole lot of videos on how to style your starter locks if you have more of the medium to long length hair. So I thought this video would be helpful. I hope that you guys enjoy. If you would like more videos like this, then make sure that you like this video. And if you're not already subscribed, then make sure that you subscribe to my channel, join my family. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers, so please help us, because once we get to 1,000, I'm actually gonna have a giveaway. So please subscribe if you enjoy this, and let's go ahead and get started. This is what I'm working with. We are 6 weeks in the game, sis. And I'm actually going to do a 6-week update on what my hair has been doing. If you guys want to know what my hair has been doing now that it's, you know, approaching 2 months, then go check out my update video, my 6-week update on my channel. But this is what we're working with. I have starter locks, and I started with 2-strand twist that I put in myself. I have definitely made some changes to them over the 6 weeks, so you guys, again, that'll be in my 6-week update video, so you guys can kind of, you know, check all that information out there. That's not what this video is for. Okay, so I'm just gonna make this look my style number 1. So this look is something that I do typically wear pretty often, especially right now. If you're working from home, then you might relate to me when you've been having a lot of like different Zoom meetings and, you know, video chat meetings, and you have to show your face. So this style is a quick style that I typically will do for work when I have to hop on a Zoom call or on a face chat call. For this one, I just left out 2 locks. When I put it on, I just loop it around 1 time, and that's just because I don't want my band to be too tight on the twist to the point where I can affect it, like, you know, like damaging it or getting it like permanently dented. I don't really know, but I'm not trying to mess it up. So, you know, like if you want to use like an edge control or anything like that, then you can. But what I normally do if I do want to you know, do a little something, I guess, just to kind of tame it, I'll just take a little bit of my like lock gel that I make, my homemade lock gel, and I'll just put some of that on my edges. And a lot of times I'll just use my finger, honestly, you guys, but obviously you can use a brush, but just to kind of get it together. But yeah, I'll just kind of put it on my edges like this, and then I just will rub it down. I try not to use a lot of styling tools with my hair right now, so I try to just stick away from that. So if I can just use my fingers, I will, and I feel like that works. Like, so you can see I'm kind of just like parting my hair down the middle. It's probably not a perfect part, but hopefully you can just see here, it's just kind of separated down the middle. I'm just gonna go ahead and take one of my hair bands. I'm wrapping it around once, and with this style I will use twice, but I'm just putting it very loosely twice, so you'll see. Just like that, and wrap this around once, and then put it around one more time. And my space buns are never perfect, and that is okay with me. But yeah, I'm just taking these little ones that are sticking out, and I'm just very gently wrapping it around. Wrap it around. I don't put any bobby pins because I don't want to accidentally poke a hole like through the lock or through the twist. That'd be terrible. So I don't use bobby pins, but that's how I do this style. So this one is style number 2. I'm gonna take all of this hair, I'm gonna bring it up. And I'm just gonna put this in a loose bun, so I'm not going to wrap it twice. I'm just making sure I have my rubber band around all of them before I let it go. Okay, so this is really cute. This is a style I would definitely wear to one of my work meetings or something like that. I'm gonna just put it into a bun. And I just think that this is a bit more of a polished style. So I'm just wrapping it around like that. Okay, and any of these, like I said, I just kind of gently, with my fingers, I just kind of wrap them around. No bobby pins or anything, just like that. But this is cute. I like this one. You guys, I really want to dye my ends so bad. I'm not going to. But I might try that hair wax because that's something I've really been wanting to try, and I can wash it out. So I might try that. We'll see. Are we on style like number 5? Number 4? I don't know. I'm gonna mist my hair a little bit with the same thing that every single lock person in the world has, my rose water spray. I'm just giving it a light mist. So, next style is taking all of these and just putting it in a low bun. I actually really like low buns on me, so if I am gonna take all the hair out my face, I'll probably do a low bun. And I really like this style because it reminds me when I was a loose natural, I used to wear like the slick back middle part. Like that was my ish, man. I love a slick back middle part, low sleek ponytail. Like I love it. So this kind of reminds me of it. And I think it's really cute. It's really clean, very like classic. So this is very cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this. I like this a lot though, but I'm a very simple girl. Like you guys will probably learn throughout the time of just being subscribed to me. I'm bougie, but I'm also very simple. So can we just take a moment, since all my hair is pulled back, to give a to my skin? Bruh, it's looking pretty nice. Like it's shining. I don't have any makeup on, you guys, because I'm not really a makeup girl. I've been using the same products for like 6 months now, and I'm definitely noticing a difference. I'm gonna take this hair. Let me get a little bit closer so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I think I'm gonna part it kind of like here. These here. I think that's good. Let's see. Do you guys ever struggle with like doing this little top bun and not knowing if it's even? I think I need to take a couple more here. What do I think? Is it even? I don't know. We're gonna just say it's even. We're gonna just call it even. So for this one, I am wrapping it around twice. I just took it in half. I'm gonna wrap this one this way. Okay, so now that I have this top bun here, I'm gonna take another one of my ponytails and I'm gonna take this other half of my hair bun as well. Okay, I like this. This is so, this is cute. This is me. It's not for everybody, but this is definitely like a little alienish, and I like it. For this one, I'm going to leave like this much on this side. So, not this one. I'm gonna leave out like this much on this side. I'm gonna leave out the same amount, like this much. I'm gonna take the rest, I'm gonna put it up. Make sure that you get those ones. Like I said, this one in the back, I don't even try anymore. I just let it just stay and do its thing. We're gonna take our ponytail. And I'm just gonna do a very simple bun. Just like that. Little bun. All right, so I love this. I feel like I say I love every style, but I really like this style. I wear this style a lot as well. I love to kind of just leave the front out because one, I'm not like pulling and stretching on it, so that's good. But I just think this is a really cute style. Okay, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed these different hairstyles for your starter locks. I hope it was helpful, maybe even spark some new ideas on styles that you can do with your hair. If I inspired any new styles for you guys, then if you do try one of them out, please tag me on Instagram. Please subscribe and join the journey and the family, and make sure that you're following me on Instagram because I do typically keep Instagram a little bit more updated with things that are going on versus my YouTube. If you or if your friends or if your family have starter locks, then share this video with them and maybe this will help give them some different ideas on styles that they can wear right now with their starter locks. Peace.